Welcome back. We are in topic 5, lesson 7. I am looking at your R page, R 5-7. Notice they're using some different language here. Is your conjecture reasonable or not reasonable? All multiples of 5 are even numbers. Are all multiples of 5? So if you go right through them and you go, multiples of 5, 5, 10. Well, that one's not even. 15, 20, 25. Couldn't you keep going? And it said all multiples are 5. Well, no. So this is not reasonable. It's not reasonable. How about this one? All odd numbers are prime numbers. So I think of some odd numbers. Are all odd numbers prime? That's prime. Is that prime? Yes. It's an odd number, still prime. Uh-oh. That is not a prime number. That's composite. So this is not reasonable. Reasonable. Correct? Let's go on. The difference of two even numbers, the difference of two even numbers is always an even number. An even number. So if I did the difference of two even numbers is always an even number. 18 minus 12. Is it always an even number? I think it sounds reasonable. 100. You say, well, that's reasonable. How about this one? Oh, there's a difficult one. Write a conjecture about the sum of two negative numbers. So if I were to add two negative numbers, little numbers like this, if I were to add those, the sum of two negative numbers will result in a positive number. Will be positive. That's my conjecture. Clearly, it is untrue. If I were to add these, I would have -5. So that's not reasonable. Okay? How about this last one? After testing, why is a conjecture considered reasonable but not proven? Why? How do you decide if it's reasonable or not reasonable? How do you know? It says, why is it considered reasonable but not proven? The answer is because you have not tried every possible number that could ever exist. Okay, you haven't tried every number. Notice I just tried what? Four of them here. This one I tried 4 again. Okay, please try the P page. Send me any questions that you might have. That is the end of our second video.